warm stone taupe, and ivory cream colors. 5 pieces cut 8 by 10 inches. Heavy textures and lighter textures will be included. I'll show you how easy it is to hand sew. Stonehaven Collective Fabric Bundle Reveal. Our hero piece is a tweed look. It is a Chanel. There's the texture of that. And it really does tie in all the other cuts in this bundle. Okay. Seems like it has a slight coating on the back. So my slow stitchers, I'll be doing a needle test towards the end of this reveal. So make sure you hang around to see that so you can see how easy a needle goes through it. Okay. Now it pairs really nicely with this piece here. Now you see the texture on that? I think this is a cotton blend. It kind of has a puffy look to the design. So look at those two textures together. Okay. This piece doesn't have any coating on the back, so you shouldn't have any problem sewing that if you're hand sewing. Now this piece, let's put this one next. Look at those three together. Isn't that beautiful? Get a close-up of this weave. See, like a lighter gray, kind of a warm gray color, stone look, and then a more true gray color in a cross weave type pattern. Hey, this is a little bit heavier weight, so we're going to do the needle test on this also at the end. Okay, this one. This, I believe, is a silk blend. I really like this one. Look at the texture. And look, you have both of those colors in there. You have the stone color and the lighter winter white or Ecru type color. See if we get a better angle. Yes, look at that. See the textures? I love this nubbiness. This is a really lightweight fabric. Let's pair it next to this. See how it picks up both of those colors? Even this one. Those look nice together. And last piece. Now this is a lighter weight. It's kind of a gabardine, but it kind of has a really smooth, it's not silk, but it has kind of a silky feel to it. Very lightweight fabric, so it's going to be easy to work with if you're hand sewing. Let's see what it looks like next to this, next to our hero fabric. Yeah, that's a really good look together. Let's put in this one. That looks good too. So you can see these are really interchangeable and they work well with each other. Okay, see that? Let's mix this out. Switch this out. Okay. Okay, let's do a needle test real quick. First, this one. Doesn't feel like there's a coating, but it is a little heavier weight, so that's why I want to do the test on it. Okay, that went rather smoothly. Okay. And then for our hero piece, let's try that one. Like I said, this has a little thin coat on the back. Let's see. Oh, that went really easy. Okay, so there you go. If you're hand sewing, this will work. And the name of this bundle is our Stonehaven Collective. Join us this Thursday at noon for a sneak peek into next week's bundle. See you then.